Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we'll work on the pass-through to the cab, front and rear anchor points, and I'll have a preview of the hard insulated pop-up walls for the camper. We wanted access to the cab from inside the camper, since we keep our cooler on the rear seat delete. We also wanted to have a place for Alfred to see us when we're driving. So I framed out this little pass-through for Alfred to poke his head through when we're driving. I use this exterior sealant to keep it waterproof and dustproof on the inside. I'm just adding another layer of sealant to the outside before I put a coat of paint on it. I needed a flat surface to attach my foam that will create the water and dust seal between the truck and the camper. This is 1 inch wide by 3/4 inch thick neoprene foam. It should press right up against the cab of the truck, creating a water and dust seal. I stumbled across this song searching for music for this video. It's the theme song for Puddin's Fab Shop. If you're not watching that channel, you're missing out. Now let's lay out the rear anchor points. The rear anchor points will connect to the factory D-ring tie downs in the back of the bed. For the connection to the camper, I used these D-rings that I bought off of Amazon. With precious cargo on board, I decided to plate the back side of these anchor points. After tightening down the anchor point, I decided it needed an outside backing plate as well. I'll likely upgrade to a 2-inch wide heavier duty ratchet strap, but these will work for now. I also plan on adding a protective sleeve at this point here to protect it from chafing. As you saw in my last video, I have 2 front anchor points that go to the front bed rail. These are secondary tie downs that will go to the frame or the factory tie down points in the bed. I haven't decided on that yet. Here I'm just adding some backing of plywood. You're probably asking yourself, why don't you just sheet the whole back wall? But in an effort to save weight everywhere I can, I'm only adding backing and paneling where I think I need it. Any exposed areas inside the camper will be covered with a marine grade lightweight carpet. We now have 6 connection points to the truck. I'm hoping that'll be enough. In the next episode, I'll show you how I built my fold-up insulated walls. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.